Rechargeable Electric Pedicure Device 2 speeds. This callus remover is for rechargeable use. We are equipped with a charging cable. You can start charging after connecting your USB. No need to worry about running out of battery. And it has 2 speeds. You can switch by pressing the power button. Waterproof LED lighting. The high-level waterproof design makes this feet dead skin remover easy to clean. After use, it can be quickly rinsed under running water. The remover also has the function of LED lighting. When the tool is in use, the LED light will light up, so that you can clearly see the removal of dead skin no matter whether it is day or night. Visible battery capacity. 3 detachable roller heads. When the skincare device is in use, the LED screen will display the remaining power, which is convenient to remind you to charge in time. In addition, we are equipped with 3 different specifications of roller heads, including coarse, regular and fine. You can choose a roller head of a suitable specification according to your calluses. You can easily remove and replace the roller head by pressing the button next to the roller head. 18 in 1 foot callus remover set, a perfect set of foot skincare. It includes 3 kinds of roller heads, as well as charger, brush, and other accessories. A complete set of suits provides professional help for your foot maintenance. Durable, easy to carry. The body of this foot callus remover is made of ABS material, which is sturdy and durable. It is not large in size, very light, and convenient to carry when you are traveling or on business trips, without delaying your daily exfoliating care. In addition to private use, it is also very suitable for salons and massage shops to serve customers. Top reviews from the United States. I love this machine. When I tell you I actually use this product every other day. It's so good. I work 7 days a week and my feet are always in shoes and socks, causing my feet get dead skin build up. I soak them and I used to use the footstones and files and they hurt. This gadget is fantastic.